today's home Pathshala. It will transform your dream into reality.
Good afternoon, my dear student. Today we are going to understand about the measurement scale. Measurement scale, what are the concept of measurement and scale? Is the difference you have to understand first on measurement and scale. Second, you understand the difference between measurement and scaling. This is the concept difference. Third, we will study the level of measurement scale, the nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale, and ratio scale. And next important area to understand the attitudinal scale in this type of scale. Then we will study the comparative study between type of scale and their characteristics. Scale is used in statistics. It's a very important. This scale is used in these statistics. And finally, we study the related MCQ type of scale and related. First of all, and before discussion this information, we want to inform you, student who has decided to appear in UC exam in June 2026. My online batches has been started. You will get the syllabus wise coverage. You will get the syllabus wise coverage, PYQ series analysis, PDF note, doubt clearing session are available, and flexible class. Student who have interested, you can contact through my WhatsApp number 9123718249. Now we come the important area of our measurement and scaling. So what is the measurement? Measurement is based on the assign number or symbol to characteristics of object based on specific rule. And scaling assign number or meaning to object typical statement about attitude or opinion. The main purpose of measurement to facilitate the statistical analysis, communication of measurement, rules and results. In scaling simplify and organizing the responses into numerical values for easier analysis or opinion. Main focus of measurement scale measures the characteristics of the object, feeling, opinion, attitude. And scaling basically rank and rate attitude and opinion. Example of measurement, there is the assign 1 for male, 2 for female, like this. And assign 1 for strongly ethnic, 2 for somewhat ethnic, and so on. Please emphasize assigning number based on standardization and uniform rule. And here emphasize the scaling, organizing responses to attitude statement for easier analysis and comparison. Now we have to come the important areas of nominal skill, the main focus, the categories, the item, categories data. Ordinal scale, I have already discussed, the allow us to rank in order to data categories. There is interval scale, exact interval scale, indicate the exact interval between the value. And ratio scale, the most advanced measurement scale, include the characteristics of nominal, ordinal, interval scale. And next important attitudinal scale. Attitudinal scale, student based on the questionnaire. The very important aspect, attitudinal scale is based on the questionnaire. It can be open-ended question. Student describe their thought freely, close-ended. As an example, student think about the future. And under this section, we have to study the Likert scale. Likert scale is the attitudinal scale. As an example, statement about teacher, know the subject well, willing to solve student, have more communication skill or not, is hard to approach, good teaching skill, liking and disliking. So these are the important scale, attitudinal scale. Likert scale, you have to remember the famous Likert scale, the attitudinal scale, apart from functional scale and Gartner scale. So this is a very important area we have to study about the difference of the comparative study, nominal, ordinal, interval. Nominal scale basically basic characteristics, number, identify and classify the job. It is a common example, social security number, number of football players. Very important area. In the case of descriptive statistics, nominal scale is the percentage and no. Nominal scale in the case of information statistics using nominal scale, the chi-square and binomial. Ordinal scale is the number indicate the relative position of the object. And as an example, quality ranking of the 10 children. Ordinal scale in the case of descriptive statistics, percentage, increment, and median. Ordinal scale using inferential statistics, rank order, correlation, fitment, and interval scale means the difference between the object and the temperature, attitude or opinion index. Interval scale using descriptive statistics, range, mean deviation, standard deviation, and interval scale use the product moment correlation. Ratio scale means the 0 point is a fixed, is very important. Using the descriptive statistics, geometric mean, harmonic mean. Used in ratio scale, used in the inferential statistics, the coefficient of value. This is the area very important, my dear student. You try to remember the when and where this scale, which type of scale used. About the features and characteristics in nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio scale, we try to remember with example. And parallelly, we have to prepare. This is a very important for our mid question. When the descriptive statistic, inferential statistics, which scale has been used. Now we go the important MCQ. What most correct answer? Why does measurement focus on? What does measurement focus on? Assigning number to object and characters. Which scale include absolute 0 point, that is called the ratio. In the case of ratio scale, you have absolute 0. What is the primary characteristics of interval scale? It maintains the equal distance between the scale. So, my dear student, this is the important topic related on the measurement scale, and I have discussed the comparative study between measurement and scaling and different types of level of scale also, interval, ratio, nominal, and ordinal. And which scale using which statistics, descriptive and inferential statistics. And I also discussed the related things. So keep touching this channel, share, discuss with your friend. If any queries, you can contact.